Hi everyone, this is Susie. About a week ago, I planted a mandarin orange tree. It's already getting new foliage on it. And it's got blossoms coming out. Many blossoms on here already. This needs 6+ hours of sun every day. Likes moist, well-drained soil. Also gets about 7 to 10 feet tall. It needs a pollinator. It says it needs another tangerine tree. So I do have another one over here. This is a sunburst tangerine tree. And this one's already starting to grow tangerines on it. And this one I put Miracle-gro down here, which has fertilizer in it, so it helps with the growing process. And I also put marigolds down here, like I did with the other ones. And there's the mandarin oranges. Keep it well watered. Let it get established. A lot of buds there. These are going to be real tasty. Some nice growth on here. This is growing pretty fast. It's probably going to get as big as the other tree I have over there. Thank you so much for watching. This is Susie. Bye-bye for now.